Good morning, sir. I am Crystal Gata from BOT 4A. So, yield of yield of rice sacks per hectare obtained by selected rice farmers last cropping season. What we are gonna do today is construct the frequency distributions with suitable class interval size of yield of rice, which is the sacks per hectare. Then, obtained by selecting the rice farmer's last cropping season with in this municipality, in Moncayo, includes the columns for rice boundaries, the midpoint, frequency, frequency, cumulative percentage, and relative frequency. So first that we are gonna do is the 127 minus 72. 127 minus 72 is equals to 55, which is the 55 is the range. Number of classes, which is number 7. So next is the interval size, class interval size. So range is the number of classes, so range is the 55, and then 55 divide 7, which is, 55 divide 7 is equals to 8. So 8 will be the class interval. Next is the class boundaries. So upper and lower vault in this class. So first, the largest value of the data, which is the 72. So the largest number of data, 72 plus 8 is equals to 80. So the lower boundary of the second class is the upper boundary of the first class, which is the first upper boundary is the 80. And then upper boundary and lower units, then divided the upper boundary, which is the 72, and then you will going to plus you will going to divide it into 2, which is, for example, the 72 plus 80, which is the 72 is the largest value, and then 80 is the first class. So we're going to add the 72 plus 80 divided into 2, which is 76. And then next we are going to determine the frequency interval. So total frequency is 46. So the total frequency is 46, which is here. So 46 divided by 4, then we're going to times it, to multiply it to 100%, and then the result will be 26.25. So lastly is the add the frequency total of 46. So which is the frequency total. We are going to add this one. This will total 46. So 46, we're going to divide it into 4. So the result will be the KF. So we're going to divide here, then we're going to times divide it into 4. So the result will be here, the RF. That's all, sir. Thank you.